In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the workflow settings in N8N and explain the most important options you should know before activating your automations. Start by opening N8N and selecting an existing workflow, or create a new one. In the top right corner of the editor, click the three-dot menu and choose Settings. This opens the Workflow Settings panel, where you can customize how your workflow behaves. One of the first settings you'll see is Execution Order. The recommended option is V1, which executes each branch one at a time for more predictable workflow behavior. Next, configure the time zone. This is especially important if your workflow uses a schedule trigger, since scheduled executions follow the time zone set for the workflow. You can also choose whether N8N should save manual executions, successful executions, and failed executions. These options are useful for monitoring workflow activity and troubleshooting issues when something goes wrong. If you want an error workflow to handle errors automatically, configure an error workflow. This allows you to send notifications or perform other actions whenever a workflow fails. You can also enable workflows from running indefinitely. After making your changes, save the settings and run a test execution to verify that everything works as expected. And that's how to use the workflow settings in N8N. Adjust execution behavior, configure time zones, manage execution history, and optimize your workflows for reliable automation.